Hello everyone, I'm back again with another beauty talk. Today I'm gonna talk about honey. How can you use honey in your daily routine? Honey contains vitamin, minerals, zinc, ascorbic acid and antioxidant which helps our skin to rejuvenate. The first one you can try is coffee and honey scrub. Okay, first take 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of coffee. Mix it well, apply it to your clean skin and rub it gently for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. What it does, it removes dead skin cells. Coffee increases blood flow to your skin and reduces inflammation, redness. Honey helps to hydrate, seal moisture into your skin. The next one is honey and lemon mask. Take 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of lemon. Apply it to your skin with cotton ball and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off. By using this regularly, you will get glowing skin. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.